Hey guys, I welcome you back for a video maker's new video, and this is the second day of glacial tower. Okay, let's see. Yesterday I got supernature dragon from that tower, and I'm going to place it in an electric habitat. Yeah, dragon number 512, a supernature dragon. Yes, I have got it. And I'm feeding it, and it's in level 4 now. It's looks pretty cool, and she's very beautiful. And in level 7, it's adult growth, and it's looking very nice. The supernature run. Oh, where is it head? Oh yeah, I got it back. I got it back. Yeah, I got it back. Oh no, why I didn't getting any gift box there? Oh, to complete the island. Oh shit. Yeah, I want to collect my foods. I'm collecting it. Yeah, finish collecting. And gold. And here's a finish breeding, and it's a star dragon, I think so. And I'm breeding it for a 4-element dragon. It asks 16 asks now, and it's a star dragon. Star dragon, yeah. Oh, I went more steps there. I got one piece of spark dragon today, and nothing else. Oh, that's a retry. I got it. It's a bad luck for me. And where I didn't get any 20 more stuff to go to that, and I'm regrowing all my foods. And ancient gold, nothing. So guys, today I'm going to show you that the battle of supernature dragon, and it's in level 7, and I'm getting it for level 15 now. Yes, it's now in level 50. Dragon master point is just 60 only. Oh yeah, okay. Let's take it for a fight. I'm going for a friendly battle. Oh, now battle for me, yeah. I've got one level 7 player to battle with the supernature dragon. His first battle, and for safety getting a high comet dragon also for company. And here we go for battle. Yeah, my hit points is 7,000. Nature's weakness is ice, so I'm giving ice attack, so on. Yeah. Here is it face. Oh, critical! No way! And I'm giving a leaf blast. 3,400. It's gone. Water element. It's an advantage to fight with a water element. I'm giving a laser beam. Just 2,100. Yeah, I won the game. Supernature dragon is looking cool to take it for a fight. So guys, I better say that you can get a supernature dragon to